Hello everyone, my name is Adit and in this video I am going to tell you that switching models safely in OpenClaw can be a greatest blessing that we have in OpenClaw. So first of all I will tell you that your AI agent might be working perfectly today. But what happens when you change the language model behind it? Suddenly the response changes, tool usage changes, something the agent even breaks completely. That's because your agent behavior depends heavily on the model you choose. I would like to tell you that how can we check which kind of or what are the types different models we have installed in our OpenClaw. So first of all we will open our OpenClaw file over here, and then we will go in the agent section, main section, agent section, and we will open this models file. Over here we can see that here under the provider section different models are given over, like I am using the local Olama model. So different Olama models are also given over, like the GLM5 cloud. The the second model is Quen 2.5 1.5 billion model is as well. Then the Llama 3 model, Gemma 3 model. These are the four models I have currently installed in my system. But if I tell you that which is the main or the default model, then it will be GLM5 cloud, or if I shift it to Quen 2.5, then it will automatically write at the top of over here. So this is what happened, and this is how can we check which are the models installed over here. I would like to tell you that many developers assume that they can swap models anytime from GPT to cloud, or like Olama GLM5 cloud to Quen 2.5, or from a local model to a cloud model without changing anything else. But different models have different reasoning styles, response formats, tool usage behavior, context handling. And if you switch models without preparation, then your agent might start producing inconsistent results. And in OpenClaw, the language model used by your agent is typically defined in the configuration file. So let me show you the configuration file as well. Let me open the configuration file for you. Just go to the OpenClaw folder and open this OpenClaw file, JSON file. And if you scroll down, then we can see that this in the model section, which are the models we have installed. It is showing the similar models like GLM5 cloud, Quen 2.5, Llama 3 and Gemma 3 1.1 billion models. This tells OpenClaw which models to use for reasoning and decision making. Currently I'm using GLM5 cloud as my default model for reasoning and decision making. Now let me tell you how can we switch to different model. Just for switching this, you need to open your terminal. Let me open your terminal. I am not switching, but I will show you the command. For that, let me close this gateway. Let me close my Olama as well, and inside it I just need to say OpenClaw. Yeah, we can say OpenClaw configuration, and when we paste that, it will open us, and we can update our configuration switches to the agent to a completely different AI model. Just give me a second. Oh, needs to type on board from here. It is showing the, it has opened the, now here we can completely switch this. I understand quick start. It is showing the quick existing values. If we want to switch the model, just go to update. See, I have, from here we can choose the custom provider and everything. So I will just skip for now and cancel this command so that my Uloma works completely. In this manner, we can switch the model without any problem. But here's the important part. Even though the task is the same, the behavior can change dramatically. Let me check. Is it working properly or not? Yes, it is working. So I will not select this. Now, when we switch the model from here, if we run the agent, the example output can be a structured report, bullet points, and clean summary in model A. But if we switch to model B, for example, I am switching from GLM flight to GLM5 cloud to Quen, then the output will have different structure, more verbose explanation, different reasoning paths. So if we summarize this part, then it can be written as same task, same agent, different model, and different behavior. These are the 2 points we need to kept in mind while using OpenClaw. The common issues that can we get while switching the models is that tool calls stop working. Some models follow tool instruction differently, output format changes, reasoning style is also changed, the context limit are also different. Let me show you the context limit if you want to see. See here in the GLM5 cloud model, it has no context limit. But if we check the Qwen 2.5 model, it has the context window of 32,768. Llama 3 has much smaller context window of 8,192. So the context window is also matters the most in model as well. So best practice for model switching will be keep prompt model agnostic, avoid instructions that rely on one model only, use structured output format as well, and the most important thing is to test before deployment. And if we like, I like to give you the key takeaway from this video is that your agent's intelligence come from the model behind it. So if you change the model, then you can change how the agent thinks. Your agent behavior changes with the model you choose. And if you want a flexible AI system, your agent should be able to switch models safely without breaking workflows. Thank you.